Welcome to our channel, where creativity meets craftsmanship. Here, we dive into the fascinating world of woodworking and home decor, exploring innovative ideas that inspire and empower you to unleash your inner artisan. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting your journey, our content is crafted to provide valuable insights, tips, and techniques that will enhance your skills and ignite your passion for creating beautiful, functional pieces. Join us as we explore everything from the fundamentals of woodworking to advanced projects that utilize reclaimed materials, showcasing the beauty of sustainability in every creation. This exciting journey together and transform ideas into reality, one project at a time. In each episode, you can expect engaging tutorials, project walkthroughs, and expert interviews that will not only teach you the craft, but also connect you with a community of like-minded enthusiasts. We believe that woodworking is not just about creating objects. It's about telling stories through the materials we use and the designs we choose. So, whether you're looking to start a profitable home-based business or simply want to add a personal touch to your living space, you're in the right place. Let's embark on this exciting journey together and transform ideas into reality, one project at a time. If you're enjoying the content and finding inspiration in our woodworking projects, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By hitting that subscribe button, you'll stay updated on all our latest tutorials, tips, and creative ideas designed to help you elevate your craftsmanship. We truly appreciate your support, and it encourages us to keep bringing you fresh and engaging content. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up and share the video with fellow woodworking enthusiasts or anyone who loves DIY projects. Your likes and shares make a big difference in helping us grow our community. And make sure to stick around until the end of the video for some exclusive insights and bonus tips that you won't want to miss. Thank you for being a part of our journey, and let's keep creating together. Woodworking profits. Woodworking can be a fulfilling and profitable venture, especially when utilizing reclaimed or scrap wood. With the rising interest in sustainable living and handmade goods, crafting home decor items from wood can attract a wide range of customers. This guide explores various ideas and strategies to help you generate significant profits from the comfort of your home. Understanding the market demand. Before diving into woodworking projects, it's essential to understand market demand. Consumers today are increasingly drawn to unique, handcrafted items that reflect personal style and environmental consciousness. By focusing on reclaimed wood, you not only appeal to this market but also contribute to sustainability. Research local and online markets to identify trends and preferences that can guide your project selection. The value of reclaimed wood. Reclaimed wood has a distinct charm and character, which enhances the appeal of any product. Its history and unique imperfections make it a sought-after material. By sourcing reclaimed wood, you can create items that stand out in a crowded marketplace. Customers are often willing to pay a premium for products that tell a story, making reclaimed wood an excellent choice for profitable projects. Starting with scrap wood. Utilizing scrap wood is a cost-effective way to begin your woodworking endeavors. Many people overlook the potential of leftover wood from larger projects. By creatively repurposing these scraps into smaller items, you can minimize waste and maximize profits. This approach not only reduces material costs but also aligns with eco-friendly practices that attract environmentally conscious consumers. Crafting home decor items. Home decor is a lucrative market for woodworking projects. Consider creating items that enhance the aesthetic of living spaces, such as wall art, decorative shelves, and unique furniture pieces. Focus on designs that resonate with current home decor trends, such as minimalist styles or rustic aesthetics. By tapping into these trends, you can increase the desirability of your products. Seasonal decor opportunities. Seasonal decor offers a fantastic opportunity for woodworking projects. Items that celebrate holidays or seasonal changes are always in demand. Think about creating decor for occasions like Christmas, Halloween, or even summer outdoor gatherings. Limited time offerings can create a sense of urgency, encouraging customers to purchase before the season ends. This strategy can lead to significant profits if executed well. Customization and personalization. Offering customization options can set your woodworking business apart from competitors. Customers appreciate the opportunity to personalize their purchases, whether through engraving names or choosing specific finishes. By providing tailored options, you can justify higher price points and enhance customer satisfaction. This approach not only increases sales but also fosters customer loyalty. Engaging with local markets. Participating in local craft fairs and markets can help you reach potential customers directly. These events allow you to showcase your woodworking projects and interact with buyers face-to-face. Building a local presence can also create word-of-mouth referrals, further expanding your customer base. Ensure your booth is visually appealing to attract visitors and highlight the unique aspects of your reclaimed wood products. Online sales channels. In addition to local markets, establishing an online presence is crucial for reaching a broader audience. Platforms such as Etsy, Shopify, and social media can be effective for selling your woodworking creations. Invest time in creating high-quality images and engaging descriptions to showcase the uniqueness of each item. Online sales can significantly boost your profits, especially when targeting niche markets. Building a brand identity. Creating a strong brand identity can enhance the appeal of your woodworking projects. Consider what sets your work apart, whether it's the story behind the reclaimed wood or your craftsmanship. Use this narrative in your marketing efforts to connect with customers on a deeper level. A compelling brand story can create emotional connections, leading to increased customer loyalty and repeat purchases. Networking with other artisans. Connecting with other artisans and craftsmen can provide valuable insights and collaboration opportunities. Attend woodworking workshops, join online forums, or participate in community groups to network with like-minded individuals. Collaborations can lead to joint projects, shared marketing efforts, and a supportive community that fosters growth and innovation. Sustainability as a selling point. Incorporating sustainability into your woodworking business can be a significant selling point. Many consumers are willing to pay more for products that are environmentally friendly. Highlight the sustainable practices you employ, such as sourcing reclaimed wood and using non-toxic finishes. By promoting your commitment to sustainability, you can attract a dedicated customer base that values ethical consumption. Expanding product lines. Once you establish a successful woodworking business, consider expanding your product lines. Diversifying your offerings can help you reach different customer segments and adapt to changing market trends. Assess which products have performed well and explore related items that complement them. This approach can lead to increased sales and a more robust business model. Leveraging social media marketing. Social media platforms are powerful tools for promoting your woodworking projects. Share behind-the-scenes content, project progress, and finished products to engage your audience. Use platforms like Instagram and Pinterest to showcase visually appealing images that resonate with potential customers. Engaging with your audience through stories, polls, and comments can foster a loyal following and drive sales. Offering workshops and classes. If you have the skills and knowledge, consider offering woodworking workshops or classes. Teaching others about woodworking can be a rewarding experience and an additional revenue stream. This approach not only helps others learn, but also establishes you as an expert in your field. Participants may also become customers, purchasing items or materials from you after the class. Keeping up with trends. Stay informed about the latest trends in home decor and woodworking. Regularly research design blogs, trade publications, and social media to identify emerging styles and materials. By keeping your finger on the pulse of the industry, you can adapt your projects to meet changing consumer preferences and maintain a competitive edge. Creating an online portfolio. An online portfolio can serve as a powerful marketing tool for your woodworking projects. Showcase your best work, highlight your skills, and provide potential customers with a clear understanding of your style and capabilities. An organized portfolio can help build credibility and attract clients who appreciate your craftsmanship. Utilizing email marketing. Building an email list can be an effective way to keep in touch with customers and promote new products. Use email marketing to share updates, special offers, and upcoming events. By maintaining consistent communication, you can nurture relationships with customers and encourage repeat purchases. Consider offering a discount to new subscribers as an incentive to grow your list. Essential tools for beginner woodworkers. Every woodworking enthusiast starts with a basic toolkit that lays the foundation for their projects. This topic delves into the must-have tools, ranging from hand tools like chisels and saws to power tools such as drills and sanders. We'll discuss how to choose quality equipment that fits various budgets and skill levels, ensuring you have the right tools to bring your creative visions to life. Techniques for working with reclaimed wood. Reclaimed wood adds character and sustainability to any project, but working with it requires specific techniques. This topic will cover the best practices for sourcing reclaimed materials, preparing them for use, and understanding how to embrace their unique imperfections. We'll explore tips on how to maintain the wood's natural beauty while crafting stunning pieces that tell a story. Designing functional and aesthetic home decor. The intersection of functionality and aesthetics is crucial in home decor. In this discussion, we'll examine design principles that guide the creation of beautiful and practical items. From concept to execution, you'll learn how to design pieces that not only enhance the visual appeal of your space, but also serve everyday purposes, making them valuable additions to any home. Sustainable practices in woodworking. As environmental concerns grow, sustainable practices in woodworking have become increasingly important. This topic will focus on eco-friendly approaches, such as responsibly sourcing materials, using non-toxic finishes, and minimizing waste. We'll highlight how adopting these practices not only benefits the planet, but can also attract customers who prioritize sustainability in their purchasing decisions. Embracing the woodworking journey. Woodworking from home can be a highly profitable venture when approached thoughtfully. By focusing on reclaimed wood, understanding market trends, and employing effective marketing strategies, you can create a successful business that not only generates income, but also brings joy and satisfaction. Embrace the journey, continually refine your skills, and remain open to new ideas as you build your woodworking empire. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you found inspiration and valuable tips to enhance your woodworking journey. If you enjoyed the content, please take a moment to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends and fellow enthusiasts. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue creating engaging content. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Let's keep crafting together.